So hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today's video we're comparing three of the most popular project management tools out there. So first things first, we have monday.com, we have ClickUp, then we have Asana. So whether you're a freelancer or part of a startup or managing a large team, this breakdown helps you decide which one fits your workflow the best. So let's get started right here. So let's start first with user interface and ease of use. So we're going to start with monday.com. So monday.com has a powerful spreadsheet, as you can see here, and also has a very intuitive and highly visual icons and spreadsheet. It's great for teams that love clear interviews, overviews, my bad. So we have ClickUp over here. Now, ClickUp offers a dense feature rich UI. It can feel overwhelming at first, but it's super customizable. And once you get used to it, yeah, it's pretty good. We also have Asana. Now, Asana strikes a balance between, it's clean, it's modern with a friendly learning curve, especially good for beginners and creatives. Now, we have our features and functionality. So Monday.com is board based, as you see here, and also strong timeline and Gantt views, great for visual project planning. We have ClickUp. It's packed with features, docs, goals, time tracking, dashboard, even built-in AI assistant, extremely customizable. And you also have Asana. So it's focused task management, timeline boards, workload, and calendar views. It has built-in automation, but much simpler than ClickUp. So that's pretty good. So let's go with our integrations and collaborations. So monday.com offers over 200 integrations in Slack, Google Drive, Outlook, and more. Strong for sales, marketing, and teams. We also have ClickUp right here. So ClickUp also integrates with Slack, Zoom, GitHub, etc. You can even replace Notion or Docs tools inside ClickUp, which is pretty cool. We also have our Asana here. So great with tools like Dropbox, Microsoft Teams, and Adobe Creative Cloud. Very polished for creative workflows. Now, for mobile experiences, monday.com it's pretty good. All have mobile apps. Asana and monday.com are simpler to use on mobile. So, and while ClickUp apps mirrors, it's a complexity and feature rich but not as fast or clean. So let's go with the pricing. So as you see here, or my prices is here. So there's a free plan, but there's also a basic, $45 a month, $12. It's the standard, pro and enterprise level. So that's pretty cool. You also have our ClickUp right here. So on ClickUp, the pricing on ClickUp is $7, $12, $19. So it's great for power users, productivity, and nerds. Now we have Asana right here. So I have 14 days of my free trial, but we also have our plan. So it's $10 at 10.99 per month. It's great for creative or collaborative terms. So it's pretty good. So final verdict, which one should you choose? Monday.com is perfect for, teams and, loves visual planning and want structured boards and workflows. ClickUp is best for power users and teams that want only one features and customization. And Asana is great for small, medium teams who want a clean, straightforward task and collaboration system. And yeah, guys, so all three platforms are very powerful. And what matters the most is how your team works. If you're all about visuals, go monday.com. If you want control and flexibility, go with ClickUp. And if you want, if you want simplicity collaboration the most, Asana is your pick. Then found this, video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which tool are you using or think about switching to. So I'll see you in the next video.